Yes, you are. Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Yes,
That's
sir.
baby talk.
Huh. Yes, sir. You smiled too before. I don't care what anyway. That was definitely a smile. Yes, you were. Oh, big yawn. Gonna get mad? Yeah. You don't like to yawn. No. Yeah. Soon you'll be able to control those and you can put them in your mouth. Soon. Soon. Yes, sir. What? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Yes, sir. Yeah. What? What are you doing? What are you doing down there? Just like it. Talking. Where are you going? You're not even a screaming demon. You haven't eaten in 3 hours. You want full? Oh yeah, the feeder lady's back there. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There you are. Huh? It's quite in a good mood. Yes. See, I am. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. I like this room. It's got the big light. Got the big light. What?
Hi, Augie.
Hi.
Hi,
Say
baby
to
boy.
Daddy. What are you doing? What? What? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure. Sure. You handsome in your stripes. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You handsome in your stripes. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Huh? Yeah. What? What? Go ahead. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Yes, sir. Oh, we just woke up. Crazy man. Pooped in your pants, filled it with pee. Got a new outfit on.